Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to share my grandma's special masala tea. We call it as nali cha. Whenever we suffer with cold and cough, she used to give us this tea twice a day. This tea improves your immune level. Don't take it wrongly. I am not telling it will protect you from getting infected by coronavirus, because improving immune system is not at all an overnight miracle. It takes time. So if you are continuing drinking this tea, gradually it will improve your immune level. So let's start the recipe. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Finally, stay home, stay safe and take care of your loved ones. Bye-bye.